So obviously, from a purchasing standpoint, we manage all of our demand forecasting, purchase orders, sales orders, quotes. We also manage accounts payable. We pretty much use it from beginning to end. We do warehouse management. We track lot serial numbers, create kits, various things. We have roughly right around 1,000 active inventory items, and probably 55% of those have serial numbers. And we're big believers in kits. So we use a lot of kit. Well, one thing that we're really happy with, and this is just from my position, is how easy it is to track what we're selling, when it's going to need to ship, and what the history of the sales of that particular item are. From a purchasing standpoint, it allows us the clarity and the visibility to be able to make informed decisions time after time. Sometimes whenever you have a newer user, it can take a little while to learn it. Once you spend the time on it, it's a little bit more self-evident, but I think just having a little bit more ease of use in the beginning would probably be helpful. Oh yeah, I would definitely recommend Acumatica. Coming from what we've had in the past, I would say it's a solid 10. I think that any business can get better with Acumatica. It just empowers you to make better decisions, make more money, and save a lot of time. Well, our company has a new product. We've been in the design phase for almost 2 years, and we recently released it. And it's a manufacturing product that we're doing, building it in the States. And it's roughly 200 parts that all come together to make one part. And having the kits and the exploding kits in particular has allowed us to be able to manage the inventory flow very well. So I think anybody who needs to track serial numbers and link multiple items together and can benefit from Acumatica. As far as where it's not appropriate, I really don't know. Maybe I'm a little biased. We've been using them for a while now. It seems to work well for what we need. So, before we had Acumatica, our company used a couple of different, I guess what you could say, the ERP. We had Peachtree, Financial Force, various other ones. And it was not user friendly, very difficult to use, hard to track. Whenever we first started moving towards Acumatica, I was a little skeptical. I finally figured out what we were using. But yeah, I think it's a great product. I would say that the has been very positive on our return on investment. I don't think that anybody regrets paying the money for Acumatica, what we pay for Acumatica. Just the amount of time savings, the amount of time that we save results in huge savings for our company. Being able to manage purchase orders and sales orders and quotes, all from one system through all of our users saves a tremendous amount of time.
Yes.
I would say within the first 3 months, I was convinced that we made the right decisions. Again, I think that the fact that we're able to issue quotes and sales orders all from one system has just created a unified system where everything looks the same for our customers time after time after time. So I think that's been a really big impact for us. So as I was saying, we are a software company that does sell hardware that you would expect to see in a grocery store. And we use Acumatica to manage both license, renewals, and hardware. So it's pretty much a fully unified system for us. And the fact that it gives us the capability to manage both software license, software renewals, as well as track hardware, it's been very impactful. I think so. I'm not involved with the day-to-day costing of the Acumatica program for our company, but from what I understand, I think it delivers great value for the price. Yes, I believe so. Yes, I think it went better than expected. We had a few people. You always have one or two people who cling to the past with everything they have, but outside of that, I think the implementation went exceedingly well. Yes.